In this video, we will be showing you the basics of the Survivor Filter Pro X electric water filter. The Pro X uses the same filter technology that you know and love from the Survivor Filter Pro pump model. The Ultra Filter pre-filter can be cleaned and reused up to 100,000 liters. The carbon filter can be reused up to 2,000 liters, and the internal Ultra filter can also be cleaned and reused up to 100,000 liters. The Pro X also comes with the same hose set and can be set up in the same way as the Survivor Filter Pro. There are several different ways to power the Survivor Filter Pro X. The first is with two AA batteries. Simply slide open the battery cover, insert the batteries, and close the cover. Make sure the cover is closed properly to ensure a water-resistant seal. Another way to power the Pro X is with an external battery or solar power pack. Open the USB cover and connect the micro USB cable to the Pro X. The other end can be connected to your power source. The third way to power your Pro X is by connecting it to an electrical outlet. Connect the micro USB cable to the Pro X and plug in the other end to the wall. Once connected to a power source, you will need to prime the internal system with water before first use. If you intend to store your Pro X for more than 4 weeks, please also follow these steps. Simply unscrew and remove the Ultra filter and carbon filter assembly. Then, you can fill the chamber with clean water. You can then reinsert the Ultra filter and carbon filter assembly. You are now ready to use your Survivor Filter Pro X. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you ever have any questions, you can visit us on our website at survivorfilter.com or email us at support@survivorfilter.com.